Number 1, 1983 Chevrolet S10, $2,999, Silverton, Oregon. This budget-friendly 1983 Chevrolet S10 is equipped with a new General Motors Crate 2.8-liter V6 engine, a valuable upgrade for an early compact pickup. Features include factory air conditioning, power steering, a 5-speed manual transmission, and a 117.9-inch wheelbase suited for frame swap projects on older Chevrolet trucks. The 7-foot bed retains its factory liner, and the original paint shows a few dents from typical work use. The odometer has rolled over, but the truck was driven only on private property for hauling and rides on good tires. A solid foundation for restoration or continued utility use. Number 2, 1986 Chevrolet S10 Tahoe, $6,000, Platteville, Wisconsin. Listed as a 1986 but described as a 1989 model, this Chevrolet S10 Tahoe features the dependable 4.3-liter V6, rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Showing 63,000 miles and carrying a clean title, it runs and drives well, making it a strong mid-1980s compact pickup option. The blue paint, topper, and mistaken diesel listing, the 4.3 V6 is gasoline, suggest light use. A clean, usable S10 for buyers seeking an unmodified truck. Number 3, 1982 Chevrolet El Camino, $3,500, West Hills, California. This 1982 Chevrolet El Camino combines car comfort with truck utility and shows 44,000 miles, a clean title, and an automatic transmission. The interior is described as beautiful, and the car appears largely original, appealing for purists seeking an unaltered example. Finished in brown, it offers a classic early 1980s look and remains among the more affordable car-based haulers available. Number 4, 1965 Ford F-250 Custom, $14,450, Alameda, California. This professionally refurbished 1965 Ford F-250 Custom pairs patina styling with modernized mechanical reliability. Its believed original FE Series 352 V8 has been upgraded with performance internals to create a 390 cubic inch engine, delivering strong torque and a deep idle. Equipped with a 3-speed column shift manual, heavy-duty Dana 60 rear end, and 4.10 gears, it is tow-ready and stout. With under 300 miles since refurbishment, updated registration through 2025, and excellent structural integrity, it is a standout mid-1960s Ford pickup needing no immediate repairs. Number 5, 1949 GMC Half-Ton, $8,000, Cottage Grove, Oregon. This 1949 GMC Half-Ton short bed remains all stock with its original 228 cubic inch inline 6, 4-speed manual transmission, and 6-volt electrical system. The odometer has rolled over, but the truck reportedly drives and stops well, making it a functional post-war classic ready to enjoy. Known for rugged simplicity, these advanced design GMCs provide an excellent base for either restoration or preservation. Number 6, 1949 Ford F1, $9,000, Sheridan, California. This 1949 Ford F1 retains its classic inline 6 and manual transmission, but benefits from updates including new brakes, aluminum radiator, water pump, hoses, and a 12-volt one-wire alternator conversion. The odometer shows 100,000 miles but is broken. The truck runs great and carries a clean title with current registration. Finished in brown patina, it is a very usable first-generation F-Series suited for weekend drives or light work. Number 7, 1970 Chevrolet C10, $9,500, Blue Ridge, Texas. This 1970 Chevrolet C10 long bed features a reliable 350 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, headers, and a 4-barrel carburetor. It also includes disc brakes, power steering, and tilt steering for improved drivability. The odometer has rolled over, and the truck rides on new tires mounted on chrome wheels. Its brown paint and clean driver-grade condition make it an appealing entry into the popular 1907 to 1972 Chevrolet truck lineup. Number 8. 1985 Chevrolet 3+3 one-ton dually, $12,000, Billings, Montana. This heavy-duty 1985 Chevrolet 3+3 one-ton dually features the dependable 454 cubic-inch big block V8 and an automatic transmission. With only 56,075 miles, it maintains a strong drivetrain and good interior condition. The truck shows hail damage on the driver's side and windshield and exhibits some paint wear, giving it an original patina appearance. A solid option for towing, hauling, or restoration. Number 9. 1980 Chevrolet C20, $11,500, Santa Rosa, California. This 1980 Chevrolet C20 3/4-ton pickup shows 94,700 miles, though the odometer likely turned over once. Its professionally rebuilt engine has only 54,000 miles, adding long-term reliability. Owned by the seller since 1992, it has been a consistent performer and includes a newer battery, lumber rack, and toolbox. Durable square-body C20s with long-term single ownership are becoming increasingly difficult to find. Number 10. 1965 Ford F-250 Custom Cab, $12,500, Ahwahnee, California. This 1965 Ford F-250 Custom Cab is upgraded with a Ford 460 cubic-inch big block V8, C6 automatic transmission with shift kit, and a B&M floor shifter, giving it significantly more power than stock. Finished in tropical turquoise and Wimbledon white with patina, it features dual exhaust, Mallory ignition components, a clean interior, and a clean title. The odometer is broken, but the truck's mechanical upgrades make it an engaging and powerful classic driver. Number 11. 1987 Ford Ranger 4x4 V6, $650, Kansas City, Missouri. Offered as a non-running project, this 1987 Ford Ranger includes a V6 engine, four-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. The odometer reads 300,000 miles and has rolled over. It reportedly drove well before stalling years ago and has been parked for 6 to 7 years. Sold as is, it can be purchased whole or for parts, presenting an affordable opportunity for first-generation Ranger enthusiasts. Number 12. 1978 Ford F-150, $17,500, Denver, Colorado. This 1978 Ford F-150 is in excellent overall condition and powered by the robust 400 cubic inch V8 with a 4-speed manual transmission. Though the odometer has rolled over, the truck has received numerous new components including paint, interior, brakes, clutch, gas tank, fuel pump, shocks, windshield, and door seals. This long bed, 2-wheel drive example is freshly renewed and ready for immediate use. One of the cleaner late 1970s F-Series drivers available. Number 13. 1987 Ford Ranger, $18,000, Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. This museum-quality 1987 Ford Ranger shows only 12,655 original miles, making it one of the finest first-generation Rangers on the market. Powered by the 2.0-liter 4-cylinder with a 5-speed manual transmission, it delivers a pure 1980s compact truck driving feel. Tight, simple, and reliable. Everything is original, including paint, interior, and underside, with no rust or modifications. Complete documentation and a clean history accompany the truck, and it is exempt from United States import restrictions, making cross-border purchase straightforward. A rare collector-grade opportunity.